Kintsvisi Monastery is a Georgian Orthodox monastery located in the Shida Kartli region of eastern Georgia, about 10 kilometers from the town of Kartli. The monastery is situated on a forested slope of a high mountain in the Dzama Valley. The complex consists of 3 churches, of uncertain origin. The central church dedicated to Saint Nicholas is thought to date to the early 13th century, in what is generally regarded as the Georgian Golden Age. Its dating was possible due to the presence on the murals of the figures of 3 Georgian kings of that period. The main church is an exceptional example of a brick church from the Georgian Golden Age period. The monumental mural is among the largest medieval Georgian artistic ensembles. The World Monuments Fund currently lists the site as a field project.
Dilo